Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be showing y'all how I got this flawless, affordable, and did I say flawless? Everyday makeup look. All the products used in today's video are by e.l.f. and they're under $6. If you're interested in seeing how I got this makeup look, then just keep on watching. Okay, y'all, so I bought some products from Walmart. They haven't been open yet. As you can see, I gotta open them. I'm not gonna be able to hold everything I got, but I got some products from Walmart and that's what I'm gonna be using in today's video. I wanted to do this video mainly for people who it's like they don't really like makeup enough to spend a bunch of money on it, and they want to have a flawless look without, you know, spending a bunch of money on makeup. So like I said, all these products are from Walmart. They're very affordable. If you're interested in seeing the final look, make sure you continue to watch this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I post. And without further ado, let's get into it. So the first product that I'm going to use is the Ultra Precise Brow Pencil, and I'm using it in the color Brunette. And when I start my brows, I brush them to the side now. I think in the past I was combing them up and then filling them, but now I completely brush them to the side. I feel like that is better for me, especially since my eyebrows are already on the thicker side. So yeah. Next, I'm going to be using the Hydrating Camo Concealer, and I have that in the color Tan Walnut, and I'm going to be using that under my eyebrows. And I don't know about y'all, but filling in my eyebrows has become much easier. I'm thinking it's because I have let them grow in, or I let them grow in, so I have to fill them less. Next, I'm going to be using the Flawless Satin Foundation, and I have it in the color Caramel, which is $4.50. And this is medium coverage, it's oil free and neutral undertones. So yes, let me start by saying, sis, when I start to blend this foundation out, it was a perfect match, and I was scared because I have never matched myself perfectly, especially getting makeup at the drugstore, or I got it from Walmart. But y'all, this was a perfect match. Like, it didn't give me a tan or anything like that. I loved it. So yeah, and it was only $5.88. Like, are you kidding me? Like, what? Next, I'm going to be taking the same concealer that I use under my brows, and I'm going to be applying that to my face, under my eyes, forehead, nose, chin, all of that. So yeah, I did realize I put too much concealer on, because with this, a little is a lot. So yeah, just bear with me, sis. Like, bear with me. After it took me hours, I'm just playing. After I blended out that concealer, next I'm going to be using the HD powder in the color Soft Luminance. And I knew I was going to like this powder because I have used e.l.f. powder in the past. And that's what I used to use until I ran out. But I wasn't using this color, but yeah. This time I'm going to be using the same concealer but in a different color. I'm going to be using it in Rich Cocoa. I'm in love with the cocoa. Well, maybe not, you know. Well, anyway, I am going to be contouring with that. or attempting to, because I don't really think I really know how to contour. I just want to bring some warmth to my face, if that makes sense. So as you can see, as I'm blending that out, it's bringing some color back to my face, because, you know, I was looking pale for a minute with all that concealer. But yeah, I hope that you guys are enjoying this video so far. Let me know down in the comment section any videos in the future that you would like to see me do. Next, I'm just adding that same concealer to my nose so I can contour that a little bit. And I'm still trying to master the whole contouring my nose kind of thing, because it's like sometimes when I do it, I see the results, and then sometimes I feel like I don't see anything. So yeah, I'm still working on it. Next, I'm going to be taking the Metallic Flare highlighter in the color Rose Gold, and I'm going to be highlighting my cheeks and nose with that. I did notice when I was applying it with my brush, it wasn't putting as much on there as I wanted to. So later on, you're going to see that I am going to go back in with my finger and put some more highlighter on my cheeks. Okay, right here, I'm just taking my brush, blending it out a little bit, and then you're gonna see I'm gonna put some on my finger and just add a little more, you know, so I could just have that glow, you know, nothing too much, just a little razzle dazzle or whatever. Next, I'm gonna be taking that same highlighter and applying it under my eyebrows. As you'll see in the ending results with doing this will help me to have that glow under my brows. Next, I'm going to be using their Length and Volume mascara. It's in the color black and it's waterproof. Okay, I was really interested to see how this was gonna work, because y'all, I've been using the same mascara for a long time. I had to dig for it, but I usually use a Maybelline mascara, so I was real curious to see what this was gonna do, and it actually did not disappoint. I was really shocked. And I'm applying that mascara to my top and bottom lash. Also, if you want, you could add lashes and eyeliner to this look. I chose not to. I bought some eyeliner from e.l.f. and everything, y'all, and I didn't even put it on today. I usually don't do eyeliner if I don't do lashes, and I wasn't about to buy the lashes because, y'all, I was not too impressed with the lashes that e.l.f. had at Walmart. Like, no ma'am, no ma'am. Next, I'm going to be applying the Die Lip Balm in the flavor Mighty Mint. I'm going to be putting that over some lip gloss that I already have on. The lip gloss that I already have on, I usually get from the beauty supply store, and it's like $1.99 or so it's super affordable. But with this Die Lip Balm that I'm putting on from e.l.f., y'all, it gave it more shine, if you can see or tell. So this is the final look. Again, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that you guys see that you can get a flawless makeup look by not using the most expensive products, but using products right in your Walmart or your drugstore. So I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup look. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I post. And see y'all in the next video. Bye.